Hello everyone, today is Vlogtober Home Decor Luxe Club collaboration and I am so glad that I am participating with this group. I am so excited to share with you my tablescape on today. But before I do that, let me share with you those that are hosting and co-hosting this collaboration. And the first is Glamelegantdecoranddesign, creations by Simone, Mirim Creative Corner, Tablescapes by Candy, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. These lovely ladies are participating in this collaboration, and I don't want you to forget to go down in my description box to check them out also. This is just another rendition of the Bling in the fall. And I'm going to be sharing with you my beautiful fall tablescape ideas. It's just a casually done, simple fall tablescape. I have not listed the items as I usually do to let you know where I purchased them, but I will have it listed in the description box below. What I wanted to emphasize on today is that you don't always have to use the typical items that we use for tablescapes. You can also use those items that you decorate around the house. You know, those items that you may use on the fireplace or on a buffet or on a kitchen counter, you know. And on today, I am just sharing with you some of those items that I usually use in a different space, and most times they make a beautiful tablescape. For instance, this is a base to my beverage dispenser. I'm going to use this as a pedestal for the flower arrangement for this tablescape. And as you can see, the vase that I'm using on today is not wide enough to cover up the full diameter of the base. And so what I'm going to do is add a few stems to give it a fuller look. So the stems didn't just, solve an issue that I may have had, but it also gave the centerpiece a different look, something that I didn't expect, but looks great anyway. is it, folks. I want to say thank you for visiting my channel. If you happen to be new here, thank you for coming by and visiting my channel. I'm so glad that you decided to do so. And if you haven't done so yet, I need you to subscribe. I need you to leave a comment. I need you to also like and share. And don't forget to check out the other ladies' videos. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. And I am looking forward to having you join me again on next week. Same time, same day. Take care, everybody. God bless.